What's up guys, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to install Play Store on Oppo A3x 5G. And alright, let's see. The model of the phone is PKD130. That is called Oppo A3x 5G. Alright, so let's go to see how to do this. Firstly, we need to slide to the left, okay, and then open App Market, and then go to the search on the top and type, just touch on agree and continue, and then allow, and then we have to type. We need to change the keyboard into English language, and then we have to type Google Play. Okay, Google Play right here. So that we need to press on the Google Play, and then choose update and wait for the process of downloading of the Google Play Store. And that's it for how to install Google Play Store on Oppo A3x 5G. That is very easy, and it is in the phone in App Market, that we don't need to go to another website to download. Okay, after that we need to open the Google Play Store and install, and set up a Google account. So that's it. Please don't forget to like and share. Goodbye, see you in the next video.